Hey everyone, as you can see, I have my good friend Val here.
Hello you guys. You guys can definitely check out my YouTube channel at Valery_Vision. And so what are we going to do today?
So I wanted to show Val how to make this recipe I got from my grandmother. It's called Pecan Bark in the South, but it's basically pecan covered graham crackers.
Right.
I got it from my grandmother. It's a really simple recipe, you guys. It's literally only 4 ingredients.
Okay.
And
so it's basically easy for me to make because I do not bake.
Because she don't bake.
At all.
No.
So...
but we do this video every week on her channel for RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars. We do a review and we always have something to drink and something to snack on. So I was like, this is something really simple, so I'll show you how to make this and we can share it.
Right. Perfect.
So I'm going to show you how to make these. Pecan bark. And here's the recipe. 4 ingredients, like I said. It's 2 packages of graham crackers, a cup of regular white sugar, 2 sticks of butter, which is, of course, 1 cup of butter.
I want to hold this up too.
And then this is 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. And I mean, you could do like a little bit more because, you know, everybody likes a little more nuts in their life.
Exactly. You can never go wrong with nuts.
So all you do is in a medium-sized saucepan on medium-high heat, melt your butter and sugar together and then stir in the pecans. So now what you do is take a baking or cookie sheet, line it with parchment paper. Don't use wax paper or baking spray because it will turn into a sticky mess that you will hate yourself for.
So this like this way is fine, right?
Right, just puzzle them in. And actually it's okay to do them really close because they can touch and just line like the whole pan.
Sorry you guys, I'm not a baker or a cook or anything, so this is my first time as well as your guys', trust me. So yeah.
It's really easy. That's why I wanted to show you because it's like a simple recipe and they're really good. They're so easy.
They smell so good already.
Okay, and then once your cookie sheet is lined, now pour the mixture over it.
So you're pouring the mixture over
the graham crackers. Yeah.
Okay.
Give it one final mix before pouring. And then just evenly spread it over the graham crackers.
I'll hold it.
No, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
And then spread them around.
So what if the graham crackers move?
It's okay if they move.
So just spread it evenly. So basically you're gonna be my teacher today, okay? And I'll
So like if
see
it
what
does,
I'm saying? Like what if it
usually
moves like
they
that?
stick. Usually they. Sorry. You may have to do a little quicker though.
Go ahead.
Because it starts to get hard. Yeah, like that. I got it. Spread it. And don't worry if it's a little clumpy in the middle because once you're going to put it into the oven and bake it at 325 for 15 to 20 minutes until you see that it, you know, it's kind of well incorporated and baked into the graham crackers. But they will kind of even out in the oven.
Okay, so just don't worry about it. Just get the top layer covered. Just get the top layer covered.
Right, just cover the top part. And if they're lumpy or anything, it's okay too. Good job, Val. For you to not be a cooker, a baker.
Do you need to go all the way to the ends, or
no?
So you could just
because like how this is right here. See how this is a little lumpy? Once it gets in the oven, it's gonna kind of melt down. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I'm like OCD, so I have to literally make everything look perfect, which is such a bad thing, but it's fine, right?
I think most of us do.
Yeah. So this is fine.
That would be cooking this rather.
Right.
No shade to the others.
So this is fine. This is how it's supposed to
this is totally good. So now once it's spread out, now throw it into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, like I said.
Wow, that's it? Okay.
We are back and they are done. And the easiest way to know that they're done is whenever you pull them out of the oven, they're gonna be like bubbling almost. So see how they're kind of bubbling?
Gotcha.
That's how you know that they're done. And see, they're kind of browning on the edges.
On the edges?
Yeah. So that's how you know that they're done. And they smell so good.
Yeah, they really do. I want to like dive in and just start biting away. So what do we do now?
Now you just sit them to the side for about 15 to 20 minutes, let them cool, and then cut them.
But cool up until they're cold, or cool up until just like lukewarm? Cool
until they're cold.
Until they're cold, gotcha.
Yeah, the colder that they get, the harder that they get, and that's where the pecan bark name comes in. Like any kind of bark,
all of the flavor
crunchy.
will really come out.
So now that these have cooled off, don't they smell so good?
They smell amazing, you guys. Literally amazing.
They're so good, and they're such an easy treat.
Because how long did it take? It took how long?
Like maybe 30 minutes at the max.
Less than that.
Well, cooling time.
Oh,
including cooling time, cooking time altogether, 30 minutes and under.
But yeah, they smell amazing,
snack.
so let's just dive in. Let's see how these taste. Let me see how these baked goods taste. Cheers.
Cheers. They're so good.
They're so good, you guys. Literally the fastest, quickest, easiest treat that you can make, and I'm not a baker.
And there are only 4 ingredients.
Literally, and I can make these so quick, fast, and easy. And this is a perfect treat that kids, adults, anybody can eat on any season or occasion.
Perfect for snacking and watching RuPaul's Drag Race.
Exactly.
See you guys Friday.
Bye.
Follow me for more recipes like this. Subscribe to my channel or follow the links below. Everything is Gaytha Stewart.
Love that name. All right, you guys. That's it for this segment, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.